Hey y'all, today I'm going to be installing and reviewing these short spring twists from FLYTENG, a hair company on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, who me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing and reviewing these short 6-inch spring twists from FLYTENG, an Amazon hair company. And I already have crochet videos up, so if you're interested in seeing a tutorial or like a step-by-step type thing, I'll put a card and I'll put some links in my description box below. But I'm going to go ahead and get into this hair. Now, the hair that I got is from FLYTENG, like I just said twice, but this is their Bob Spring Twist Hair 6-inch short passion twist hair, pre-twisted 7 packs, cute bomb twist crochet hair braids. It's the size 6-inch, and the color that I got is T30. They also have colors 1B, T27, and T burgundy. There are different prices for the colors, but the color that I got is $39.69, and they also have a coupon. So yeah, I really like this hair. I like how it's twisted. It's twisted very neat. One thing I can say, when you are installing it, if you do decide to get this hair, you have to be gentle with how you pull it, because the twist itself will come loose. Like, I was grabbing because I wasn't really looking in the mirror when I was putting this in, so some of my twists came loose, but it was cute, so it worked out in the end. Another thing, I do have to say, there was like this strong scent on the hair, but it aired out, so it was cool. And I didn't really keep this hair in long. I kept it in for maybe a day, so it wasn't that big of a deal. One thing that I am kind of on with this hair is that this is supposed to be the color T30, and it actually looks like a color 4. Like, I saw maybe like a couple of strands of 30, but as you can see, it looks brown, so I don't know what's up with that. But other than that, the twists are pretty cute. I'm not really too into short twist hairstyles, but anyways, yeah, so this is not a tutorial, so I'm not going to take you through a step by step. Just enjoy the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway. And a big shout out to FLYTENG for sending me this hair to review. Big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Enjoy the video.
A B on the beat.